ChatGPT Plus 1 year activation. Hello guys, hope you're doing well. You can see there is a Go plan on my this ChatGPT account. Okay, the current plan is Go plan. So I will upgrade this plan to Plus plan of 1 year. Currently, this is a monthly Go plan on this account. So you can see there I want to get upgraded, and I have done the process in the background. You can see there, and after that, after the process, you can see there I have refreshed this account, and you can see there is a plus status has been showed. So just click on setting and check the subscription on this account, the period of subscription. You can see there it's 1 year subscription. You can see the expiration date is 14 April 2027. So that is for 1 year. Today is 14 April 2026. So this one is exact for 2027, mean 1 year subscription. Okay, so refreshed it. I have done so many account subscription there, so I will show you the subscription of the accounts which I made in last 2 days. You can see this is another account which I have subscribed for a client. You can see there is a 2027 expiration date, and that is amazing. If you want to get know about it, you can join my Telegram channel. The link of channel is in comment of the video. You can contact me on my WhatsApp. So you can see there is another account, and that is free, personal account, free account. So I have subscribed a plus plan on it. Just will check it from setting account. Okay, so you can see I have subscribed this account on 12th April. I just made the subscription on this account for 1 year.
ठीक था उस बंदे ने एक हजार ठीक बोला
You can see there.
अबे अभी तो तुमको कोड दे दूंगा ना यार क्या बोल रहे हो
Okay, you can see there is a subscription on this
समझ नहीं
account, plus subscription for
कब
1 year.
किस चीज
Let me take the screenshot for posting
अभी जो कूपन कोड दूंगा
in my communities and groups. If you are interested to get ChatGPT Plus 1 month method, ChatGPT Go 1 year, and ChatGPT Plus 1 year methods, you can contact me. I have also methods and payment cards methods for Gemini Pro 1 year, Gemini Pro 1 month, 4 month, like that. So you can get it from me. Okay. Basically, there is some process which I
ठीक था उस
followed
बंदे
in
ने
the
एक हजार
background
ठीक बोला
of the activation, and after that process, I have successfully activated the accounts of 1 year.
अबे अभी तो तुमको कोड दे दूंगा ना यार क्या बोल रहे हो
These all
समझ नहीं
are clients accounts who have
कब
wanted me to activate the
किस
plans
चीज
of 1 year on their accounts. So I
अभी
have
जो
done
कूपन कोड
these
दूंगा
subscriptions for them. They have paid me a reasonable amount. So if you want to get your own ChatGPT Plus on your mail, you can contact me. Okay, I have done this one for another client. You can see there. This is Anton, my client. So I have done the subscription for them. This is the plus subscription which made on 12th April. And you can see there is a plus plan activated on the mail of Anton. You can join me, my community and WhatsApp community in comment.